Haley got for Valentine's 2 boxes of Pop Darts, 2 cans of ravioli, some hair ties, Hershey Kisses, Jones, and Arby's. Mac and cheese sticks, and Arby's. It's Haley's Valentine's.
Hi guys, how are you doing today? My name is Kidneyjay. The J stands for jerk because my kidneys are a pair of jerks. And this is a pink fairy, and a trois video. And my dog is going crazy right when I'm recording. That's okay. Anyway, what I showed you at the beginning was Pink Fairy's teenage daughter's, adoptive daughter, whatever she is, gift for Valentine's Day. Which I had to say something about that. Could you imagine getting all that for Valentine's Day from your diabetic mom? The reason why this bothered me so much is because once one family member has type 2 diabetes, it increases the risk of other family members getting it, of developing it. It's not contagious, but they can develop it. And one reason is because of eating habits and behaviors passed down generationally, if that makes sense. So if nothing changes, then it's type 2 diabetes in perpetuity, basically, throughout the generations. I've often said when one person is diagnosed with a chronic illness, it's not just that one person, it's a whole family issue. Anyways, I don't know. Take her to the movies, take her out for the day. What would you say that gift was worth? Like $25? The Arby's meal, the cans of ravioli, the Jones soda, all that stuff, maybe $25, right? Take her to the movies for the day. Take her for a drive to a park, to something. Just not just like all that unhealthy food. It is basically love to death. But what we're going to look at today is called Make Dinner With Me / Had Carbs Today / Mobile Home Living. She is cooking some curiosity called Campfire food. Never heard of it. You guys know the drill. Leave a like if you want, a comment. Love learning from you, and subscribe if you're new. So let's go get into this Campfire food with Pink Fairy. Oh boy.
Everyone, welcome back to my dinner video. Today I am making campfire food with mac and cheese. Because these beans are not too... They got lots of carbs. They are, let's see, got 32 carbs, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 25 carbs in. Yeah, not too good for you. So, I definitely got to throw me a salad in there.
Dun dun dun. So I guess she was subtracting the fiber from the total amounts of carbs, which is good. She knows how to do it. It just she doesn't do it. She just said these are bad for me. Dun dun dun. But proceeds to eat it. Not only with that, she thinks she could balance it out with a salad. Now I understand if she's eating less of the carbs and more of the salad, yes. But to simply eat the same amount of carbs and have a salad does not make sense. If I'm eating a high potassium food, eating a low potassium food is not going to balance it out. I still had the food that I was not supposed to have.
But I've had not very many carbs today, so.
Oh.
Because chicken noodle soup really ain't nothing wrong.
Okay, embassy people, I need you. All ranks, all classes at the embassy. I need you on this one. I'm going to play it 2 more times. Please tell me what this woman is saying.
Because chicken noodle soup really ain't nothing wrong. Because chicken noodle soup really ain't nothing wrong.
Something about super late? I don't know. I also want to say that in her past videos, because we've left Pink Fairy for a week. Before that, she was pretty much Ohio's own Wilford Brimley with diabetes spokesperson. Now she's sort of slipping.
I'm not completely carb free. I have some carbs, so I can eat carbs. I'm gonna have carbs.
Okay.
not a bunch all at once. Do you know what I mean?
Do you know what you mean? Because she seems to think she could save up her carbs for one meal. Now, she let slip last week that she has not spoken in length to any sort of diabetes dietitian who I'm 99% sure would tell her you cannot save up your carbs for one meal. That's just going to spike your blood sugar and then you're in trouble. Okay, so in this pan is ground chicken and onion. That is the base for our campfire food.
This is Dash. My favorite.
This is Dash.
Love it. Pepper. These are country style baked beans from Kroger. What we're using today. So we'll pour the beans in.
My God.
Juice and all, okay? Yes. And I'm going to put a little bit of brown sugar.
Why? Brown sugar. Ah, I know you taste so good. Which is completely not about that. Brown sugar, we won't get into that. So she's going to add brown sugar to this, which she already knows the beans have carbs, added sugar.
And on.
Why? Just leave it out.
Get a spoon. Tablespoons in there.
Yeah, let's just mainline the sugar now.
Okay.
Ketchup, more sugar.
And just a dab of it in mustard. I don't like mustard that much. But you know what?
And mustard.
It tastes good in your campfire food. Okay, now you turn this down on super low.
Mm-hmm.
Mix it all in there really good. We have it.
I'm interested in the comments. Let me know if this is something that is a staple in your household, in your state. This campfire food.
You know.
With no camp, no fire to be seen.
Take a little pictures too. Okay, on this dinner.
Ah.
The salad was a no-go, but this stuff is so good. Oh.
So that's it, guys, for this week. It's her campfire food. She's slipping with the carbs. You could see she's kind of working it out. But, you know, you could know everything. If you're not putting it into practice, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't. They sort of go hand in hand. Like she said, she said no salad, I guess. So she had cottage cheese, the campfire slop, and mac and cheese. So carbs on carbs on carbs. Yum. That's it for me. We do have more Pink Fairy to get caught up with, so look for that later on this week. I appreciate everyone watching, all your eyes and ears, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.